Let's continue with the meaning of words from Hebrew. Today, we are going to see the way. Christ is the way, truth, and life. What does it mean? If there is no truth in you, you shall not see God. Therefore, seek the truth, love the truth, share the truth, so that you can be true to yourself first, and then true to God. The way. What does it mean? The way. We know Christ is the way. Christ. Christ is the way. In Hebrew, means hadelech. 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 Hey, dalet, resh, half sofit. Hadelech. Hey means the. Lech means way. Together, they make the way. Hadelech. Ha-de-le. Hadelech. The way. What does it mean? First of all, we have to walk on the way of God. Walk on the way of God. So we have to walk on the way of God. Why? You have to ask yourself why you have to walk on the way of God. Why? Why is that? Why? You have to do so that it will be well with you. Will be well with you? So if you walk on the way of God, it will be well with you. Guaranteed. 3. Christ is hadelech. Christ is the way. Is hadelech. Christ is hadelech. Christ is the way. Christ is the way. Therefore, we need to follow the way. Follow the way. Follow the way. So we have to follow Christ, who is the way, so that we can go to the Father. Follow the way to the Father. Follow the way to the Father. So, hadelech. We have to walk on the way of God. Why? Because it will be well with us, even though you don't understand now, you will understand with time. Because Christ is the way, truth, and life. Follow Christ. If you follow Christ, you will be led to the Father, who is the one that will guarantee you eternal life. Thank you very much for watching. May God bless you. Shalom, shalom, shalom.